40% of a production line's downtime can often be traced back to a single missing checklist item. Root cause analysis, or RCA, is the disciplined process of moving past visible symptoms, like a stopped machine or a defect, to identify the systemic failure. Whether it is a missing standard, a detection gap, or a design flaw, a true root cause is always found at the system level. To address these, professionals utilize a specific toolkit. The 5 whys drill down into linear mechanical faults, while the fishbone or Ishikawa diagram maps complex interactions across variables like man, machine, and method. For prioritized action, the Pareto chart applies the 80-20 rule to downtime data, and the 8D methodology provides a formal framework for containment, investigation, and permanent correction. Consider a CNC spindle motor that keeps overheating. A surface-level fix is simply replacing the motor. However, by asking why 5 times, we find the air filters were blocked because no preventative maintenance standard existed. Implementing a scheduled cleaning alert reduces unplanned downtime by 40%. Similarly, in food manufacturing, finding plastic fragments in a retail pack triggers an 8D investigation. Containment involves withdrawing the lot, but the root cause analysis reveals that a cleaning squeegee delaminated because it lacked a fixed replacement interval. The solution? Switching to metal-detectable HDPE tools and updating the HACCP plan. Avoid the common mistake of blaming operators. If a process allows for human error, the system is the failure. By shifting from reactive repairs to structural standards, manufacturers eliminate the cost of recurrence and improve OEE. Want to master root cause analysis with AI? Join our internationally accredited RCA with AI certification program. Link in the description.